Let's this email look pretty. So let's add images and a lot of stuff. So let's make it shine. And then, it won't go anywhere. It's not the way to do emails. It's the way to do newsletters.
The classy one, meaning mixing segments and sending them a wrong communication, is a stressful situation, but it's a good way to just send another email with apologizes.
I think wanting too much at the beginning is a failure. Like, you have to know that this is a process and you will grow. You will never have a campaign with a 100% success rate or 100% return rate.
At the very beginning, I thought that there is nothing wrong with sending as much as you can and as fast as you can. And I had no idea that it could have a negative impact on your sender reputation.
One time we had this campaign in which after third or fourth follow-up message, I've been promising to the recipients that we will never bother them anymore. And yet, by a mistake, we included the same list in another campaign, so they received another messages from us.
I haven't warmed up my email properly. I bought a new email address and I really harmed my deliverability, my reputation of the email. So that's something that I've learned by mistake and I don't do anymore. And we teach our clients not to do so as well.
Sending way too many emails at once. Obviously I got blocked.
In the past, I was sending like 5 or 7 follow-ups for each campaign, trying to get hard yes or hard no. But all I was receiving was people being pissed off at me.
Just be prepared to fail, but learn from your failures.